And you know, as I said, only two form now where MPP amemono ombebu in fact, Akufo Addo Bawumia. Oba Adwuma but o 24 election na ko mu na. Now have vote turnout any other area. Ya na sometimes nwanwa. Eya na nwanwa na asofo no ba ko abetro no mutu. Prophet Nigel Gaisie obechire mu a asofo no eye niema sunsun etia MPP na ensem a Prophet Nigel Gaisie be kan de busu anu worship. Mo ti no akere wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Me so say ni di mo. Obe like video no other bamboo subscribe button na be click notification icon latest update na be kire wadwen de ama me. E wo comment section. There's also bas for no worship us onya bi ahwe. Eduru nya di adanse se. Akufo Addo 8 years obetra Ghana kunya kese in fact oye do betimi e de bo man konkon Ghana oye na famu de oye ne de what I say Sam George Kurom ningo pram constituency ni mpeso aso eho ana Ghana ye ultra modern pharmaceuticals Atlanta Pharmaceuticals the biggest pharmaceuticals company eho and in West Africa Ghana NC ningo pram constituency Akufo Addo see Akufo Addo hear that project no just say niam Akufo Addo ne Ghana hanom no akwan oyi ne ade is obo adwuma pa but ohwemu a 2024 election na ko mu no just MPP for na ngoto aba no MPP for now to end just sometimes o show be say then I want to aba kra na they don't get anything to tell you. And when you listen to some of the policies of NDC for niam wo get kan ya mo mu de we ni aba kra na sometimes ya na as we got to aba no sebi e bi adwe nya adwuma just say o dwene ho awonti ase Emma just say MP for no vote turn out no be no say no MP for now because vote Akufo Addo in 2020 ni kura no Bawumia enya sa so we enya that same vote in 2024 and the rene still and go be rene let's say MP for vote eso to him in the year 2024 let's say man for enter say we say anra ana Prophet Nigel Gaisie ogo PM ewo Star FM one Bola Ray na hono ena okoke kansen bo mabusua na ani asoso pa we ene nsem a oka no hono
spiritual consultation. Because I tell you, and I'm saying here, maybe for the first time, we prayed and did a lot of things against the MPP. We did, yes.
When you say we, is it men of God?
Yeah, men of God.
And or lots, you and your church, your flock?
Personally, I did a lot of things. And you see, I don't surrogate to be absolute or all powerful. But at my level, Bola, we have done a lot of things spiritually against the MPP. Against the flag, against their color.
Why?
So if you give me a minute, and not just me, I have prophet friends, I have bishop friends, I have senior men of God. Sometimes we call, sometimes we meet, we have a meeting. We did a lot of spiritual work against the MPP. So the next leader of the MPP must have a lot of consultation. And this I'm giving them for free. And if they want to still surrogate around arrogantly, they will be in opposition for a very long time. Because they hate the spirits. The MPP, the last MPP, hates the spirits. And it's not all of them, just one or two people. They hate the spirit. And it's the spirit, what the spirit allows, that comes into the physical. What the spirit allows, that comes into the spirit, into the physical. 2027, there's going to be a crack in the NDC.
There's going to be a crack in the NDC?
Yes, prophetically. There's going to be a crack in the NDC. But it's not going to affect the person that will exit the party. And I'm speaking figuratively. 2027, there's going to be a crack in the NDC. But it's not going to affect the person. That is, it's not going to affect the party. But it's going to affect the person who that will leave the thing. Yeah. There's a lot of, but you see, when I talk right now, they will box me somewhere. So I'm being careful. Yeah, I'm being very measured, and I'm being. But what I have seen clearly is that they were in a room. The NDC fraternity, they were in a room. They were having a meeting, and one person who is very influential didn't understand himself, and he opened the door, slammed the door, and he didn't come again. So if they from 2027 they don't manage the things well, there's going to be a famous, just like what happened with Alan Chermante. But if we can pray, if there can be negotiation, if there can be talking, these things will be averted.
So you know who will win in 2020?
Yes, I saw it January 9th.
January 9th?
Of this year.
Of this year?
Yes,
you
please.
saw who will win 2028?
Yeah.
January 9, 2025?
Yes, please.
After President Mahama was sworn in on January 7th?
Yes, please.
Who will win in 2028?
But the timing,
yeah.
I have made a call
to
the respective office So the timing. So I'll be a little bit circumspect.
Yeah,
but what I will say clearly by the mercies of God is that the next regime will still be NDC.
The next regime
will still be NDC.
Really?
Yes, the next flag bearer of NPP has a lot of work to do. A lot of
he came to your mother's funeral.
Yeah, very well.
That is your friend.
Yes, that is
Dr. Bawumia.
Yeah.
You are saying he's not going to win in 2028.
So you are saying that he's going to be the next flag bearer.
I am asking.
No, you are saying.
Okay, so there's Kennedy Japan.
Yeah.
There's Dr. Bawumia. I'm just saying that because he was at your funeral, you tell him that yes, Doc, you are trying all of this, but it will not be an MPP government in 2028.
Like I said, you see, I'm a prophet. There are things that you can be my mother. You can be my mother. You can be my father. When the Spirit comes on me, I say that this. What I have seen as at 9th January
2029.
9th January of this year.
This year, okay.
Is that the Lord mentioned who will be the president to me, but that I'll keep it.
But you tell us that it's still going to be an NDC government.
Yes, it's still going to be an NDC.
So Kennedy Japan is in there for MPP, Dr. Bawumia, Dr. Duchum, Brian Achampong, Japan.
Yeah.
You are saying that none of these is not going to be for an MPP
for the flag bearership.
Do you see that also for the MPP?
Say again. You're bombarded.
I'm coming at you today.
I'm a spiritual person.
Sure.
So you give me some space so as my spirituality can be activated.
No problem.
Thank you so
much.
much.
At least today you've been in the room just for this show.
Yes,
and
sir.
you've come with the prophecy.
Yes, sir.
As we deal with the NDC issues, we'll deal with MPP as well.
Yes. So like I was saying, what God have shown me and revealed to me as far as 9th January of this year, the next regime will still be NDC. The next regime, that says the Lord, is if not for this, these are prophecies I was going to say on 31st.
But it's exclusive on Star
Very well so.
Thank
for
you.
the personal respect I have for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
And I appreciate
because
that.
a lot of people have called, but I never broke this thing.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, it's still going to be NDC. And the personality, the 2028 order is not going to be a regular order that everybody knows. It's going to be a different order a bit. And this is a figurative expression. But it's still going to be NDC. And the flag bearership, from where I sit for the MPP, is still going to be Dr. Bawumia. And when Dr. Bawumia wins, there must be a lot of consultation and spiritual consultation. Because I tell you, and I'm saying it here, maybe for the first time, we prayed and did a lot of things against the MPP. We did, yes.
When you say we, is it men of God?
Yeah,
in
men
Ghana,
of God.
Or you and your church, your flock?
Personally, I did a lot of things. And you see, I don't surrogate to be absolute or all-powerful. But at my level, Bola, we have done a lot of things spiritually against the MPP, against the flag, against their color.
Why?
So if you give me a minute. Yeah. And not just me. I have prophet friends, I have bishop friends, I have senior men of God. Sometimes we call, sometimes we meet, we have a meeting. We did a lot of spiritual work against the MPP. So the next leader of the MPP must have a lot of consultation. And this I'm giving them for free. And if they want to still surrogate around arrogantly, they will be in opposition for a very long time. Because they hate the spirits. The MPP, the last MPP, hates the spirits. And it's not all of them. Just one or two people. They hate the spirit. And it's the spirit, what the spirit allows, that comes into the physical. What the spirit allows, that comes into the spirit, into the physical. So that is it.
Why do you think a lot of people in Ghana have that, mindset?
Yeah.
That they feel that don't trust prophets in Ghana. Maybe sometimes you prophesy and it doesn't come to pass.
No genuine prophets, prophecy comes to pass 100%.
No genuine
No,
prophet.
you cannot be genuine prophet and have your prophecy 100%. If you do that, it's mechanical prophecy. If it's from the womb of the spirit, sometimes you get it wrong because you're a human being. Sometimes you can get the interpretation wrong.
But you say you're a man of God, you're a prophet of God.
But you are not God.
It should be 100%.
Yeah, no, it's only God.
You hear from God.
Yeah, I hear from God, I see from God, I perceive from God, I sense from God. But I'm human being. Amos 3 verse 7.
So then the human part of you, when you don't hear from God, don't say it.
No, what I'm saying is that you see, they are in the propheticism, there are things you see that is subject to interpretation. And the more you get closer to God, the more of his presence, you will get some of this interpretation correct and here and there. But sometimes when you're human, it's two faces. We have the human face. As I sit here, I call something keeping my spirituality. So I play 30%, that is my physical, that's my carnality, that is my flesh. And 70% of my life is spirituality. So sometimes it can switch. So it's not every, you cannot see me everywhere and say, Prophet Nigel, prophesy to me, prophesy. Maybe I went to eat gobe. You can't tell me I should prophesy to you there. That place, my spirituality.
Why does gobe affect spirituality?
No, what I'm saying is that then, maybe at that material time, my spiritual
you're not in the realm.
Very well so. I hope you get what I'm saying.
So there are times that one, you know, you cannot say every day and every time and any material.
Major of the components of prophecy is dreams. Ooh. Do you always dream? It's not every now and then that you dream. Majority of there are components of prophecy, there are elements or sources. The regular person will say sources or mediums of prophecy or channels of prophecy. The major is through dreams.
So God reveals to you in dreams.
If you give me a bed here, a mattress here, I'll sleep right now and I'll see something.
Wow.
So majority of it, Joel 2:28, I pour my spirit upon all flesh, and the sons and daughters shall prophesy, and the old men shall dream. So one of the major channel or medium of receiving from God is through dreams. So it's not every now and then that. So I say again that no genuine prophet gets all 100%. Because from now to February, March, there is a coup d'etat attempt.
In West Africa?
Yes, in West Africa. There's a coup d'etat attempt.
From now till
February, March. From now to February, second week of March. There is Ivory Coast is on the radar. And the West Africa zone is on the radar.
I can see you are getting into.
Yeah,
your eyes are getting ready.
Yeah, the Guinea-Conakry president. He was here the last time he came to Ghana. One of the girls who comes to my church from Guinea was her daughter to the ambassador. So I told her that she should tell the president that there will be an overthrow. And the president told the girl in French that he's going to Conakry, he will come back and they will talk and deal with it. As soon as he went, he was overthrown. Prophecy, you may not like the person saying it. Because even if it's not from God and from the devil, there's an element to learn something from. Granted, you don't believe God and you believe there's devil, you got to take it serious. So the bosses, the security bosses, they should protect the president for us. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, and all the other people, there is an agenda.
There's an agenda?
Yeah, the listing, as the last 2 weeks, the listing, there will be coup d'etat. You will hear it.
In Ghana?
I didn't say Ghana, West Africa. Yes, well, I'm wise, I'm now more matured. So,
is it Umofia?
Umofia was Ghana, Bola.
Yes.
Yeah, Umofia.
So what you saw last 2 weeks, was it Umofia?
What I would say is that I'll appeal to our politicians. When they get power, some of them, they don't listen.
So you say the NDC, some of them are not listening?
You are putting words in.
No, I'm asking. You said the politicians.
I am speaking generally.
Yes, but I know. They are in power.
You see, they should listen. But there's something called spirituality. That is what the NPP, they did. And they lost heavily. So I will speak proverbially and leave it here. They should listen. The same prophet that said John Mahama will be president. We should protect the security. I'm telling you. We should protect the security. And wherever the president of the republic is, I greet him.
No, but he's your friend. Don't you reach out to him?
He's my father.
He's your father.
Yeah, I think
so. Why don't you go to him and tell him, well, this is what you're seeing?
No, I have not. We should not narrow it to Ghana.
I know, but they're saying that wherever he is, you greet him.
The National Security Coordinator, Razak, is a good man. So I've reached out to him.
Oh, you've reached out to the National Security Coordinator?
And he's a good man. He's a very, very good man. Very, very good man. Yeah, just I went to the IGP and one ACP Akoli didn't let me see him.
ACP Akoli didn't let you see the IGP.
Yes.
You had a message for the IGP.
Yes, I had a message for the IGP.
Message. He listens to us.
About 3 things that I wanted to share with him.
Which are?
I will not. Some are sensitive.
Yeah, but maybe one that is not.
Oh, no.
You wanted to see the IGP.
Yeah.
So if ACP Akoli,
but he has called. They sent somebody to say sorry, so I will let it go. They should know that the seat they are sitting on, some of us have lost it all for them to be on the seat. But I'm watching the space. At the right time, we'll talk or we'll react. They should know that nobody can take that credit from me. I'm the first prophet, the first human being on earth. If you go to Google and type who said John Mahama will be president, it's Nigel Gaisie. It's not the fair weather pastors. It's not the pastors who don't have scar before NDC.
Are you bitter? Have you been sidelined by the NDC?
I have not been.
Be sincere.
The John Mahama I know is not ungrateful.
Yeah, but I'm saying that some people in the NDC.
The John Mahama
are you bitter that some people are not listening to you?
Bola, His Excellency the President of the Republic, I know.
Yes.
He doesn't forget.
I know.
And the best is reserved for the last. So I'm not. I can't.
So you think that maybe the president can reach out to you but he's not done.
No,
so.
I have direct access. I say in all humility, I have direct access.
But are some people around him not really giving you the chance? And you
I
feel
don't.
some...
If you have Mama Lodina,
yes.
If you have the president, if you have
okay.
that Julius Zebra, you don't need much. I'm a Kriapil man.
Okay.
I don't need much in life.
Right.
When you say that I'm not anointed, we have spoken and it has come to pass. We are blessed and it has been established. So it's not for you to determine whether somebody and whatever. That thing was all orchestrated by Kennedy Japan. Because really? He felt, you are in Ghana. Because he felt that I have said...
You still have an issue with Kennedy? You still have an issue with him? Before
coming, I've been spoken to.
Yes.
To let him be.
Of course.
But I mean, what I'm trying to say is that, watch
you were on his case and he says, look, that is not right.
No, I wasn't in his case. He brought the fight to my door.
Are you ready to reconcile with Kennedy Japan? Are you ready?
Some senior men of God have made that.
I want to call him on this program
so
tonight.
What I'm saying is,
will you speak to him? Yes.
Bola, some senior men of God have called us and we met.
Oh, you met?
And he said sorry to me. And he said that and that is it. But you are always hammering somebody's son is fake. Somebody's son is that. So, but you see, it's past.
So you've met him. Are you not ready to reconcile? Like, maybe, I don't know whether you guys...
I have forgiven him because I have authorities, and when they speak, even if it's against my will, I have to...
So maybe you're also on his case and he was hurt.
No, I have never been. So if you could give me a second.
Okay.
See, I'm an authority. I have senior men of God, senior fathers and mothers that speaks with me. And when they said that regardless of whatever, I should let it go, I will let it go. But when I look at my scars, I have forgiven him. But the damage he caused to the church of God, and that is what is going to cost him. If 31st, the prophecy I'll give about Kennedy Japan will shock the whole nation. By the Spirit of God, I've seen it, I've written it down. He had a fine opportunity, but he messed it up. But we'll get there. So, for me, my fathers have spoken to me not to say anything about him.
Are you ready to meet Kennedy Japan tomorrow?
No, I don't need...
No, if we should arrange that, Ken, and he's a great man, he's a good man.
Yeah.
Are you ready to meet him?
To you, he's a good man.
He's a good man.
Yeah, I respect that.
Yeah.
But to me, he wasn't good to me.
Yes, but I'm saying that you said if you've forgiven him and you want to forget. As a man of God, are you ready to meet up with him?
You see, that is the mistake we do. I'm a man of God, but I'm a human being. There is human fricativeness in me.
So let it go, Nigel.
No, watch me. The pain is so surgical and conscious that I cannot let it go. I've forgiven him.
Then you are not of God.
No. Watch me. If on that base, you are going to be the Bible. You are going to be the Bible.
No, I'm just pleading as a human being.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that whether I like him, I don't like him, it doesn't take anything from him. But what I'm saying is that I've been spoken to, so I want to be measured.
Maybe you should meet him and hear him out. Are you ready to do that?
What if I were to be Kennedy and he, with the plan he has, you see, he has offended some of us. And the damage and the injuries is what we went beyond, and even beyond the nation of Ghana, to make sure that NDC loses. That is MPP, sorry to say, MPP loses. He must personally, yes, one or two people have come on his behalf to say sorry here and there, but it's not enough. Because you see, what Kennedy did to the church, and you see, I saved the body of Christ. Yes, I saved the body of Christ.
You did?
Yes, because with what I knew he was going to do again, that came to my office with video. Nobody in Ghana or the world at large that monitors the Christian front of Ghana would have gone to church again. And all these were not true. He said, I'm a murderer. No police. Me, I've never been invited by police. You put some people around me on TV because I said Mahama will be president. And I saw it. That we have slept with all the women in the church. Why is our manhood donkey or a horse manhood?
Are you married?
I am.
Do you have girlfriends?
I don't have a girlfriend.
You don't have a girlfriend?
Yes, I don't have a girlfriend.
Some I think a popular musician and somebody came, they were labeling you.
It's normal when you're handsome. When you are handsome, you are educated.
Oh, so you heard that?
Yes, you are educated.
You've never taken a girlfriend before?
I have taken a girlfriend before, but not within the space of me doing ministry at work. But Bola,
you're not married, or you were married?
I wasn't.
Or it just happened?
No, watch me. I went to Legon. I was in Akufo. I know what's up.
Okay, you know what's up.
I hope
I know.
I'm wearing Galasu.
Galasu, Angelo Galasu. By the way, he's coming to Ghana on the 7th of December.
I know.
I'll make sure that you meet him.
I hear you, sir.
Yes.
I hope you get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And
a guy.
Yes, and what I'm saying, I'm proud that I went to Legon.
Yeah.
So it's normal for people to say these things. I call it occupational hazards.
Were you a bad boy in Legon?
No, I wasn't. I was a pastor then in Legon. I was in 3
But that's where you had your girlfriends.
No,
in Legon,
yes, in second year.
You're a pastor, but you had
a
second year.
pastor
I know your ex-girlfriend. Yes.
Yeah, Jessica.
Yes.
Yeah. A pastor must date, but a pastor does not date from the moon. A pastor must date before. I hope you get what I'm saying.
Yes, I get it.
Yes, sir.
Chile wa dwe mame e wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media. Akra.